Hi and welcome to this how-to mini where I will show you how to add your Animus Heart to Apple HomeKit. So let's start by entering the Animus Home app. Then press the Add New Device button on the device page. Scroll down to the HomeKit guide. In the guide you will find the instructions on how to activate Apple HomeKit and also the 8-digit code that is required later. Okay, so now let's open the Apple Home app. Then go to Add Accessory. My language is set to Swedish, so I will press Lägg till tillbehör. Now a scanner will appear, but click on the I can't scan link on the bottom. This will take you to another page where a bridge called Animus Heart will appear. I currently have a few hearts connected, that's why we see 2 hearts appear on my screen. Press on Animus Heart and a pop-up message will say device not certified. Press Add Anyway to continue. Now we need to enter the 8-digit code that we get from the Animus Home app. So let's save the code in our memory and go back to the HomeKit app. Now your Animus Heart will be added and all the supported devices will follow automatically. If you later would add a new device to your Animus Heart and wish to have it also in the HomeKit app, don't worry because it will be added automatically as long as it is of the supported type. And I'll put them all in my test room. So now my devices appear on Apple Home app and you can control them like you would control any other HomeKit device. Hope you enjoyed it and thank you.